It looks really weird on my head, but... Hello, my name is Moose and welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to be doing something a little bit different. I have done one of these in the past before, but I'm going to be doing an unboxing video today. In this package is my brand new helmet and a brand new pair of knee pads. Now, the knee pads that I had just bought were the ones that I actually used before my break, and nothing's really wrong with them. It's just the fact that my leg has been actually being irritated after I've been wearing them. So I wanted to try a new kind of knee pad. The one I've been using is one that you have to slip over your foot to get on. So I bought a kind that you just put over your knee and you don't need to slip on or anything, so hopefully that will stop the irritation. Both my helmet and my knee pads are from S1 Roller Skates. I've always wanted to try out their helmets, and I happened to see that they made knee pads as well, and it happened to be in the style that I was looking for. So I decided to buy a pair and try out their pro knee pads. So I've already cut open the tape and everything, so we don't have to worry about that. So let's just get to unboxing and see what it looks like. I haven't actually taken a look at them. So, paper, always need that. My helmet. For those that are curious, I do have a ginormous head in the S1 Lifer helmet, not the Mega Lifer, just the regular one. I am a size 2XL. I think that translates to a small in the Mega Lifer. The Mega Lifer just has a larger shell than the S1 Lifer does. Otherwise, they use the same pads for sizing and everything. So the helmet that I got was the black matte, and it's got the gray logo on it. So I'm going to open this first. Let's put this down here. So excited. Oh my god. It's a little windy out here. It is so pretty. So the one I got, it's got the gray logo and it's got gray straps on it. And that's just a black matte. All of the S1 roller skate helmets, when you buy from their website, come with the size that you ordered and then the size above and the size below, just in case you want to customize how your pad is set up inside of the helmet. Some people like to use the one size thinner to go like in the back or in the front if they feel like it's just a little bit too tight but not enough to actually size up. So that's really cool that they offer these as well. And then if maybe somebody else has to borrow your helmet and they're just a little bit smaller or bigger than you, you can also have them switch out and just use this as well. Okay, I love the box. This is the pad box. And then for those that are curious, the pad size that I bought is the size large, so we'll see if they fit. And this is generation 4. They also have a 4.5 out, but since it's my first time trying it, I just went with the 4. Alright, let's take a look. Ooh, I like this. Branding. The box didn't have anything as special on it. Ooh, runaway paper! Hold on a second. Okay, I'm back. So, like I was saying, the box doesn't really have anything super special about it. It tells you a little bit about the design and the certifications and your size and everything. So, yeah. Woo! I told you it's windy. Very excited about this. Okay. These are very, very thick compared to what I'm used to. So I have been using the 187 Killer Pad Slim line, or no, Fly line, sorry. I've been using their Fly knee pads. So these are the Pro line for S1, so they're definitely thicker, definitely harder. And yeah, I'm excited to try out this straps in the back, not having to put it over my legs anymore. So yeah, let's just give this a try real quick. Let's just try one on. So they do have a little tag in here, and this one says right on it, so this is the right knee pad. So I'm going to try it on my bad leg first, just because that's the one that I have the problems with, so I want to make sure that this fits that perfectly first before I try it on the other one. This is really cool. The top strap is adjustable, so if you need it to go a little bit longer, you need it to go shorter, you can adjust it that way. That's really cool. And it's got butterfly backings. Oh, cool. You can see, if you look, the padding inside. That's really cool. Alright, so let's try this on over. They already feel comfier than the other ones. It's not pressing into my leg where it was broken anymore, so that's a really good sign. Alright, let's stand up. This is very thick. It's very hard to stand up straight, which is good because these kind of pro pads are supposed to encourage you to want to bend your legs so that you don't stand up when you're in the middle of your run or anything, because that's bad. So that's really cool. But otherwise, I really like these. These are super comfortable, so I can't wait to try them out skating. Hopefully I can go out tomorrow if it's not going to rain. Fingers crossed. Okay, so I need to try the helmet on, so sadly I gotta take the ears off. I'm gonna set those guys down right there. So let's try this guy. Oh wow. That feels very secure. It looks really weird on my head, but don't pay attention to how it looks. Safety is sexy, even though it makes me look a little weird. Safety is sexy. Oh yeah, that feels really good. Cool, I'm glad. Awesome. I feel really weird in this, but it's because I haven't really worn a helmet before, so, but ever since my fall, my break and everything, I feel like I should, just so that I don't end up getting too scared and end up getting really hurt again. Plop these guys back on. Yeah. Alright. I hope you guys liked the unboxing of my new knee pads and helmet. I can't wait to try these out. I'm really excited to see how they feel, and I'm super happy that I decided to go with the S ones because they feel super comfortable on my head. Even though they make me look a little bit weird, it's just something I'm going to have to get used to, so that's not a big problem. And the knee pads, so much better than the Fly series, so I'm excited to use these. Like I said, I hope I can go out tomorrow. It's supposed to possibly rain, so we'll see. Fingers crossed though. Thank you guys for watching my video today. Please leave a like if you liked it, and if you have a question or anything about the knee pads or the helmet or why I chose these over like 888 or anything, please leave a comment down below, and subscribe if you'd like to see more videos from me. Like I said, I'm really hoping to get out to the park soon. We've just had a really couple rainy days, and so I haven't been able to get out skating, but hopefully they'll clear up soon and I can get out skating again. I hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you next time. Bye!